Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies to explore an age-old elixir castor oil. This unassuming oil, extracted from the castor bean, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, prized for its remarkable health and wellness properties. Throughout history, castor oil has been celebrated for its versatility, offering a wide array of benefits both internally and externally. From soothing skin irritations to promoting hair growth, castor oil has earned its place as a true multitasker in the realm of natural remedies. In this video, we'll uncover the science-backed benefits of incorporating castor oil into your daily routine, particularly before bed. Get ready to discover how this potent oil can transform your health from the inside out. Stay tuned. Castor oil boasts a rich history dating back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, recognized its potent healing properties. In ancient Egypt, castor oil was revered as a sacred oil, used in everything from lamps to medicinal concoctions. The Egyptians recognized its ability to soothe skin ailments and even believed it possessed labor-inducing properties. Across the Mediterranean, the ancient Greeks also harnessed the power of castor oil, using it to treat a wide range of conditions from constipation to skin infections. This ancient wisdom has been passed down through generations, with castor oil remaining a staple in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. Ayurveda, a holistic healing system originating in India, values castor oil for its warming and grounding properties, using it to balance the body's energies and promote overall well-being. Castor oil is a true beauty elixir, renowned for its ability to enhance both skin and hair health. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid with impressive anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, castor oil effectively combats acne, reduces redness, and soothes irritated skin. When applied topically, it penetrates deeply into the skin, promoting collagen production and improving elasticity, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion. Castor oil is also a boon for hair health, thanks to its high concentration of essential fatty acids, which nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. Regular application can promote hair growth, increase hair thickness, and add a healthy shine to your locks. For those struggling with dry, brittle hair, castor oil acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into the hair shaft, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and full of life. Section 4. Soothing your gut, castor oil for digestive harmony. Beyond its external benefits, castor oil is also a powerful ally for digestive health. It acts as a natural laxative, stimulating bowel movements and relieving constipation. Castor oil works by increasing the movement of muscles in the intestines, helping to move stool along more easily. This makes it a gentle yet effective solution for occasional constipation. Moreover, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and providing relief from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. It's important to note that castor oil should be used sparingly as a laxative, as excessive use can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Always consult with your healthcare provider before using castor oil for digestive issues, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Section 5. Joint pain relief, castor oil's anti-inflammatory touch. If you suffer from joint pain, castor oil can offer natural relief. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to ricinoleic acid, help reduce inflammation in the joints, easing pain and stiffness. When applied topically, castor oil is readily absorbed through the skin, reaching deep into the affected area to provide targeted relief. Many people find that massaging castor oil into sore joints before bed helps reduce morning stiffness and improves mobility. The warmth of the oil further enhances its soothing effects, promoting relaxation and easing muscle tension. While castor oil can provide temporary relief from joint pain, it's important to address the underlying cause of the pain. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of treatment for your specific condition. Section 6. Sleep soundly, castor oil for rest and relaxation. A good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, and castor oil can help you achieve just that. Its calming and relaxing properties, coupled with its ability to relieve tension and pain, make it an excellent natural sleep aid. Massaging castor oil onto your feet before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. The act of massage itself helps to calm the nervous system, while the oil's soothing properties further enhance relaxation, allowing you to drift off to sleep more easily. Additionally, by alleviating muscle tension and joint pain, castor oil can prevent discomfort from disrupting your sleep, ensuring a more restful and rejuvenating night's rest. Section 7. Embrace the benefits castor oil for a healthier you. From ancient remedies to modern-day applications, castor oil continues to amaze us with its versatility and therapeutic potential. Whether you're seeking to enhance your beauty routine, soothe digestive discomfort, find relief from joint pain, or improve your sleep quality, castor oil offers a natural and effective solution. Remember to choose high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil for maximum benefits. As with any natural remedy, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the amazing benefits of castor oil. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.